What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I bake up these delicious pumpkin pancakes. So guys, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients that I'll be using. Over here I have some vanilla extract, I have some eggs, and over here I have some pumpkin puree, and I have some baking powder, melted butter, pumpkin pie spice and salt, some half and half, sugar and flour. So I'm going to combine the pumpkin pie spice and the salt into the flour. And guys, I will leave the full measurement that I'm using down in the description box. So I'm going to combine the pumpkin pie spice, the salt and the baking powder. I'm going to set it aside and move on to my wet. So to my bowl, I'm going to add my 2 eggs. I'm just going to whisk this. And as I said before, guys, I will leave the full measurement down in the description box, so feel free to check it out. I'm going to go in with my sugar. Some vanilla. My milk. My butter. And the star of the show, my pureed pumpkin. Here I'm using canned pumpkin, but feel free to use fresh if you feel like. Now I'm just going to give this a good whisk and combine everything together. Now I'm going to add my flour in small amount. And I'm just going to keep adding until everything is fully combined. And we don't want to over mix this, we want to mix until just combined. And this is the consistency you want to have, not too thick, not too runny. Now here I have a griddle heating up. I'm just going to butter it. And guys, you want to make sure that your griddle is nice and hot, but not too hot. As you can see, it's steaming here, but I've turned it down because it was a little bit too hot. But you want it nice and hot. And I'm just going to go in with a 1/2 cup measure. You could use an ice cream scoop, or you could make it whatever size shape you like. And guys, once the first side is cooked where you can see the bubbles around the edges, it's time to flip. And this is the color I like on my pancake. So you could let it go lighter, or you could let it go darker, depending on what you like. There you have it, our first pancake is done. Guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think about this recipe. So guys, I'm just gonna follow the steps until all the batter is finished. And of course guys, let me know what other fall recipe you would want to see me make, and let me know if you would try this pumpkin pancake recipe. There you have it guys, my nice and fluffy pancakes. Guys, these were awesome. They were soft, moist and fluffy. And guys, did I mention delicious? Yes. Try this recipe out guys and let me know. I know you won't regret it. Now to this I'm gonna add some butter, and now I'm gonna drizzle on that glorious pancake. Ooh, that glorious pancake syrup. And guys, if you don't like pancake syrup, you could use maple syrup, or you could use honey, or whatever kind of sweetener you like to top your pancakes with. And let me tell you, this was so delicious. I topped mine with some whipped cream to take it over the top. It's totally optional, but guys, trust me, you don't want to leave that step out. A sprinkling of cinnamon, and guys, let me tell you, this is breakfast in heaven. Guys, you don't want to miss this recipe. Try this recipe and let me know what y'all think. Until then, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.